Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, today I am bringing you a winter tablescape, but I'm also using Valentine colors. Guys, this is Tablescape Tuesday. I will be using, you guys can see, you guys see my runner here with the gold and deep red. So I'm going to be using this color placemat. And guys, like I said, this is Tablescape Tuesday, and this week we have a guest host, which is Ali from Glam Elegant Decor and Design. So she is the guest this month, this week. So guys, you guys see one chair over here? Over here is because I usually have one there, one here, one there, here, but I moved them around for me to be easier to decorate the table. Guys, this collaboration is hosted by Anna from the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Courtney from Amethyst Adventures. All right, guys. Like, do you guys see gold on the center in the runner? So I will be using my gold chargers as well. And by the way, guys, this table, I'm actually doing it because in Valentine's Day, February 14th, it is my husband and I 37-year wedding anniversary. So, but I don't know if I'm going to keep this table for our anniversary. I'm also going to use a lot of the stuff that I'm using on this table. They've been gifted from my sister. I'm using this plate, which they have a rooster on the center, and these ones are crack and barrel, but you're not going to be seeing the rooster because I am using my little plate that says homemade and delicious, and it will cover the rooster as you guys can see. Okay, so that's what we are doing. Like I said, most likely I will be changing this table for a white tablescape for my husband and I. But I just decided to put this together because this is what I got at hand. So, guys, I will be linking all the channels in my description box below so you guys can go and check them out and show them some love. Okay. Also, I'm going to be using my red glasses, and I'm using double napkins, and I got this color on this side and the other color on the other side. So I did a fan shaped napkin, so that's what I'm going to be doing. I will be using rose gold silverware. These are just the little ornaments, heart ornaments. So I'm just placing them randomly on the table. And also after dinner, my husband and I always like to have either coffee or tea. So I'm placing my Starbucks coffee pot in the platter that goes with the little plates. I'm gonna do some progress and I'm gonna bring you guys back. And since this table is supposed to be a vintage tablescape, I'm going to be using a gift from my sister. My sister name is Ruth, and she gifted to me this vintage 1930s candle holder, meal glass, which holds 3 candles. And I already have the 2 that go on the side. So I will be using them here. This is something that's supposed to be at your console table or your cadenza. The candles in the middle and the 2 candle holders on the other side. And since we're still doing winter, I'm going to use my winter flowers with the vase that I DIY for a collaboration that we had. So I'm using red, what do you call those flowers? Poinsettias and white poinsettias. So, and some of them have gold, as you guys can see. So that's what I'm doing. Well, guys, I don't think I'm missing anything else on this table. Well, I'm actually want to use my little flowers from the Dollar Tree. I will be placing one on each vase because the vase that I DIY, they are reversible. You could use the thin part or the other side, depending what type of flowers you want to have. So I want to place my little blinking lights from the Dollar Tree in each of them underneath. And then I'm going to light up the candles and show you what everything looks like with the light off. All right, guys, so let me get to that and I show you how everything is going to look light up with the candles. And guys, if you're a person that loves cooking, join us on Quick and Easy Meals. It's every Sunday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You could share anything that you would like to cook. And okay, guys, let's welcome, like I said, Ali. And let me turn on the lights and show you what it looks like. Well, guys, there you have it. With the lights off, this is the evening look. And this is what my table looks like. Look at the candle holder, guys. I absolutely love it. And I do have a tier tray. There is just like so. I didn't place it on the table because I am not planning to use it. But yeah, guys, what do you guys think? I think it turned out beautiful, elegant, and put together very quick. It took me 25 minutes to put it together, guys. So I want to thank the host, Anna, for hosting this collaboration, and Courtney. And I'm going to leave it like I always say. Let me come over here and leave it like I always say. You guys see toys on the floor because of my dogs. Be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you. And Debbie also loves you too. And we'll be into the next one. Bye-bye, guys.